Work hard and you'll be rewarded. But look around. The hardest working people you know are often the most exhausted, not the richest. Today, I'll explain why hard work rarely creates wealth and what actually does. Hard work is not useless, but it is misunderstood. You were taught that effort equals money. That time equals value. That sacrifice guarantees reward. This belief creates obedient workers. Not wealthy individuals. Because money does not respond to effort. Money responds to structure. Money flows through systems, not sweat. The system decides. Who is paid per hour? Who is paid per result? Who is paid per decision? Most people are stuck in the time for money system. The system rewards consistency. But caps income. Wealth exists outside that system. There are 3 levels of work. Level 1, labor. You trade time for money. Income is limited. Level 2, leverage. Your actions create repeated results. Income expands. Level 3, control. You design systems others work inside. Wealth accumulates. Hard work keeps you at level 1. Wealth is created at levels 2 and 3. People stay trapped not because they are lazy, but because they are conditioned. Hard work feels safe. Systems feel complex. Control feels not for me. But money doesn't care how hard you try. It responds to positioning, leverage, alignment, and decisions. The moment your income stops depending on hours, everything changes. Ask yourself, does my effort scale? Does my work multiply? Does money work when I don't? This is not motivation. This is the code. Hard work builds survival. Structure builds wealth. When you understand how money moves, you stop chasing it. And start directing it. This is the money code.